a baby shower, not baby shower. My sister and I love the movie The Grinch. City girls, you have a whole ass baby in here. Hi fammies, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a day in my life, but it's gonna be a little bit more of a special day in my life because I planned a little surprise for my sister. She is currently pregnant and it's her first pregnancy, and she said that she didn't want a baby shower, but of course as her little sister I would still have to pamper her in some way. So instead of doing a baby shower, I decided to do just like a cute little day where we're hanging out together, and I'm also gonna bring my mom as well, so it would be the three of us hanging out. And because it's kind of a baby shower, not baby shower, I did want to do a little gift basket. So over the past few weeks, I have been gathering some stuff here and there that I think that she would like. And this is like combined of stuff for her, but also for the baby. So I think it's gonna be like a little cute treat. I do have to pick up my mom very soon, so let me show you very quick what I got her. First thing that we're seeing here is like a little plushie. I just thought it was very cute. This is one of my favorite animals, and I know that they also like aquariums and like sea animals a lot. So yeah, first thing. Then I also bought a few clothing items for the little baby. So these are socks, a little hat. Also bought this very cute kind of matching set. I also got a little romper. Of course, I had to get a little cute card. It says beautiful baby boy because my sister is getting a little boy. Also bought these pregnancy pants for her that have this belly covering thing. Then this thing is super random, but my sister and I love the movie The Grinch, and I just saw this. I thought it would be cute to have for decoration for when the baby comes around. I don't know. That was very random. Then I also recently went to Munich and I also picked up some stuff over there. The first two things are jam, which you might think is a little bit random, but I think it's just like a cute little yummy treat for herself. One is the pear flavor and the other one is a fitch, I think. Then one thing is that my sister is also obsessed with truffle, so I got her truffle honey, and I'm not sure if she's able to eat this right now during her pregnancy, but she could also enjoy it after her pregnancy, of course. We also went to Muji, so I had to get her these chocolate covered strawberries. These are very popular, I believe, so I hope she will enjoy these as well. And I thought this would also be like a cute little snack. These are lotus root chips. And then last thing is something from the Harry Potter store. I got this little dobby with a blanket for the kids. My sister and I both love the Harry Potter movies series as well, so I thought that was gonna be super cute for her little baby. And then of course we also have a little basket where I'm gonna put everything in very nicely. But first thing first, I gotta go and pick up my mom real quick. My mom has arrived. Look, full in team, all in a blue dress. Oh, not my sister's pants. We just finished making the backdrop because I wanted to take a few pictures of my sister in her pregnancy era with her man and also with us. So I figured that it would be cute to make kind of a clothing hanging washing rack with the little clothes that I bought for her, and I think it turned out super cute. I'm also gonna prepare the basket right now. My sister is on her way already and she knows that she's gonna go to my place now, so she's very excited again. Let's prepare the basket now. The basket. Wow. This is the little gift basket. I need to write this card real quick, and my mom also bought a lot of presents, so we're also setting that up over here. How cute! Guess who arrived? Arrivé!
Hello!
The woman of the day!
Hi!
Your mommy!
What did they see today?
Oh, okay, I guess.
Dat je dat weet.
Just so that it's clear. Look!
Wow! Lekker?
Ja.
Wow! That's so cute.
Cutie, eh?
Echt cutie.
For the little
Oh,
babies.
very nice.
Baby shower time.
With my mommy. Oh, baby shower.
It's baby shower, just us though. It's just
Very
us.
nice.
Look at the baby.
Baby, very much there.
Now we're moving on. It's time to take pictures. Wist het. Girl. Yum. Ăn ngon. Bánh mì. Ngon lắm. Bánh mì. Thịt heo. Yum. Look who's here, my cousin. Kan dus aan een ding vast. Oh, aan metaal. Aan metaal. City girls. You're getting the Saturday shopping experience. With momsies.
Very much.
With momsies.
The first invite ever.
Baby.
She's taking the whole crate.
Whoa, look at me. Is he alive? Ew, dat voelt zo raar. You have a whole ass baby in here.
Yes, I do.
We are going to play Super Bomberman 2 now. My sister really wanted to play that, so I bought it for the Switch 2. And it's also tea
Bomb
time
your ass.
before we're going for dinner.
Dat is wel echt leuk, want met YouTube gespeeld hebben. Ja, ik heb iemand ingebouwd.
Je hebt jezelf doodgemaakt. Lekker
Ik zelf alweer dood.
Waar ben jij?
Oh, lucky you! Dat ik zelf doodga.
We are in Amsterdam. We are gonna eat Korean as dinner. It's my sister's favorite right now because she's pregnant, so she can't really eat anything else. So Korean it is. Wow.
Ik wist cake niet zo, maar ik weet het wel.
End of the vlog. Baby is satisfied.
Thank you all. Give it a kick.
Waar halen die dat dan?
He's sleeping.
Ah,
So boring.
precies.
Good.
Is het hier hout?
And
Kilo, nou
end of the day.
600 gram, dan kost het 6
End of the vlog. Thank you all for watching as always, and I will see you next week, Sunday again. Bye.
Girl, you got me down so bad.